Alam po ninyo, sa mga panahon na naghahanap ang ating bayan ng mga bayani, ibinigay po ng Smart Gilas ang hinahanap ng ating bayan sa panahon. I'm so proud of you guys. First time ko ho maka-attend ng isang international competition na nag-champion po tayo, na PBA po ang mga kasama natin. PBA po ang coach at ang nagpapatakbo po, Smart, PBA member din po, Sir Doy Bea. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. 20 years ago, I do remember, there was a very strong clamor for the PBA players to join the national team under the leadership of Lito Puya. And if you remember, nag-breakaway ho ang PBA sa Mika dahil ayaw na po natin sumali sa international. No? PBA was for the Filipino entertainment. That was the belief 20 years ago, but that has changed. The game has become so global, our fans know the capability of our players. And they want to see our best players against the best of the rest of the world. And yesterday, last night, we proved we can do it. And umpisa pa lang po ito. So, good luck po sa ating lahat. Boss Manny Pangilinan, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa walang sawaan ninyong suporta sa ating team. At sa PBA family, please, give your support. Do not withhold your support. This is for our country. Maraming salamat po.